Hello kids, how are you? Today we are going to learn letter sounds. Subject English Part 1. A apple. Ant. Axe. Apple, ant, axe. B baby. Book. Ball. Baby, book, ball. C carrot. Cookie. Cat. Carrot, cookie, cat. D duck. Dinosaur. Dog. Duck, dinosaur, dog. E elbow. Elephant. Egg. Elbow, elephant, egg. F flower. Fish. Fan. Flower, fish, fan. Task. Identify and say aloud. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Elbow. E-L-B-O-W. Elbow. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share.